and today we're unboxing the Numark Mixtrack Platinum. Stay tuned. It's a big day for the channel. Today we are unboxing a new DJ controller. If you haven't checked out my top 5 video, this controller was actually in my top 5 video. For me to get my hands on it and to be able to play around with it and unbox it, I'm excited for it. So what do we have here in the box? I guess we don't need that, we can just get rid of that. Of course, you got the USB cord in the box. You got a manual. All I need is the USB cord. I'm not concerned about the manual. Got the USB cord, a couple Numark stickers, and the user manual. But what I'm really concerned about and what you're really concerned about. Alright, so this is what it looks like fresh out of the box. It's all powered by USB. The jog wheels look like a decent size. I can't wait to see all of it illuminated because it definitely gives you good information on the jog wheels. The same information you would get looking up at your laptop, but you don't have to look up at the laptop, you can just look at it. I like the length of the tempo fade. It's just a lot longer than the SB3. If you follow the channel, you know that SB3 is my go-to controller. I can't wait to really get my hands on it, play around with it for a couple days, and then give you a real review on what I really think about it. By this one being ranked high on my top 5 entry-level controller list, I had to get my hands on it and check it out and see for myself what it's all about. It has dedicated play and cue buttons. Got a nice sync button there. I don't think you have as many hot cues as you have on the DDJ-SB3. You got 8 pads, but everything feels good. That's nice and loose. You got a 3-band EQ. You got your browser knob here. You got your filter here, your filter knob. I'm actually excited about the touchpad here. So when you throw an effect on, you can decrease or increase the intensity of the effect. So I'm really looking forward to playing around with that and really just diving into all of the features this provides. It's a nice size controller. The feel, it's pretty heavy. It has some weight to it. I'm pretty impressed with the build quality. I'm pretty impressed with the presentation of the controller. And since we're here and I do have the DDJ-SB3 handy, let's just do a quick comparison and just see how they both look side by side. We got them both side by side here. So you can visually see that the SB3 is a little bit taller, but you can still see the Numark behind it, so this is definitely a little bit wider. These two DJ controllers are pretty comparable. They both have mic inputs. They both are packed with a lot of pro features. I can't wait to get a chance to get this Numark plugged up, get the lights going, and see what it's all about, because I've spent a lot of time with the DDJ-SB3. This is the first controller I've really dove into and really worked on and really got to know. But stay tuned to the channel for more. I eventually want to dive into every controller that's on my top 5, because this channel is really about entry-level DJs. It's really about entry-level controllers. If you're at home and you're considering purchasing a controller, one of these two are a good option. I can guarantee and vouch for this one because I've used it, I've had it for months, and I stand behind it. I'm gonna dive into this one over the next couple days, and I'll definitely post a review video with my true, authentic feedback about how I feel. So stay tuned to the channel. I appreciate you checking it out. It's Dre Dan.